This road is crazy. Look at the GPS if you can. Okay, so we're here at Caesars Head State Park. We're going to be doing the Raven Cliffs Trail, coming all the way out here to the Overlook. And if we have enough energy, we're going to come on back around and go to the cool little suspension bridge. So you ready to do this, babe?
Yeah.
Yes, all right, cool.
Yeah.
We got some lunch we're going to take up there with us. It's going to be awesome. Let's do it. Okay, so before we hike the Raven Cliffs Trail, we are going to check out the little overlook here. And I guess there's no drones allowed, so good thing I left mine at home anyways. You ready, sweetie? Let's go check it out. This should be cool. Just a short little walk here. This ramp is handicap accessible, and it comes out to this really, really cool overlook out here. It's a nice day. It's kind of cool. Probably perfect weather, really, for hiking. Let's check out this view out here. It says do not cross fence, like I really would. I don't think so. It's really, really, really beautiful. You got Table Rock straight ahead there. Okay, let's go check out the Devil's Kitchen next. All right, let's do it. Okay, looks like it's open. You ready to do some climbing down? These are kind of steep here. Don't drop your GoPro or it's a goner. So it's kind of narrow throughout here, but it's kind of interesting. It's not very long. It's just kind of like another overlook over here. Okay. I'm glad I lost all that weight. Oh wait, no I didn't. And that's all she wrote, folks. Just another little view here, which is kind of cool. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna be taking that red trail for a little bit here. We're about 1/8 of a mile in, and I'm gonna be fixing up my hand here. I've got a pocket knife that was attached to my belt, and somehow I touched it and it must have opened and it cut me. So really nothing major. Does that come free with your admission to Dollywood next week? Yeah. That's probably why that tree's doing that. Everybody does it. Well, how convenient. Okay, so we got 1 mile down and I don't know, 6 or 7 left to go. How you holding up, baby?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
good.
awesome. She's got her straw thing. She won't share with me. She's got moonshine in it. No, that's next week when we go to Gatlinburg. Yep.
I'm gonna sing. This part of
Oh my god, she's been singing the whole way and it's an earworm. Oh lordy. All right, so we've done 1.63 miles. We're at a junction. You see the blue blaze right there. So we've come down here. We're gonna come continue down here to the Overlook. Then we're gonna backtrack and come around this way to the waterfall suspension bridge. Most people do a whole loop like this, but they call that the Dismal Trail. And I don't feel like doing anything dismal today. And we're gonna have some lunch here in just a few minutes, right? Yep.
Yeah, I thought we were going there.
Yeah, we're going there on the way back. We're gonna keep on the red trail and backtrack.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's do it. Okay, so we are not gonna do the Dismal Trail. We're gonna do like a counterclockwise part of the loop because this gets pretty crazy. It's a 2,000-foot descent, which is really hard. We're actually gonna continue over this way on the red trail to the Overlook. Okay, so just at a little over 2 miles, you'll come to this Overlook, and you can choose to just stay here and make that the end of your hike and go back, or you can go further. But you're going to be able to see the falls off in the distance from here, and you can continue the hike to them. Okay, so here we are at the Overlook, of course. So that's Raven Cliff Falls off in the distance there. It's actually the highest waterfall in the state of South Carolina. And there's people that have been known to try and hike from here to there, but that's crazy. We're gonna hike afterwards, hopefully. But first, lunchtime. Let's eat. Okay, so time to go to the waterfall here. Wait a minute. Serious injury or death? Okay, do I do it or do I not? What do you say, Nikki? She just said no. All right, so we're back at the intersection here. Gonna take the blue trace, the blaze trail. Yeah, see if we can make it. We might end up having to turn back, but we're gonna make an attempt. Okay, so a little over 4 miles in, and we made our next junction. We're going to be taking the Nature Land Trust Trail, I think for about another mile. And then we're going to come to that suspension bridge. So for now, we're on the pink trail. Looks like Pepto-Bismol. All right, you ready, babe?
Yeah.
You synced up? You got your third wind?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do this.
I was supposed to scare you.
You're so white, you glow in the dark. Really, it's so white.
It's probably true. Okay, we're getting there. Can you all hear the waterfall?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yay.
Let's see where that bridge is. Almost. Almost. Here we are after almost 5 miles of hiking. We made it to the suspension bridge. You can hear that water roaring in the background. But this is basically our reward. The actual waterfall, I believe, is going to go down right over the edge over there. So we are before the waterfall. Cool, huh? Now if we decide to continue following the trail this way, it takes us through the Dismal Trail, which we are not going to do. We're actually going to backtrack the way we came, and it's still going to be probably another 4 miles by the time we're done. Probably a total of 9 miles today, and we have to gain 1,000 feet of elevation. It's going to be crazy. Okay, so we're done here. We got to hike on out, probably 4 miles or so at least. And it was an awesome experience. Definitely well worth it. What do you say, baby?
Yeah, you should go here.
Yeah, high five.
High five.
All right, let's do this. Let's hike on out. We got about 1,000 feet of elevation to gain. They say what goes down has to go up, or vice versa. All right, we're out of here. Okay, we got 6.7 miles down for the day. We're at a little bit of a junction here, so we've got 1.7 miles left to go to the parking lot. I think we can make that okay. We're doing pretty good. All right, so we are approaching the trailhead. We're done. 8.5 miles. Well worth it. That amazing waterfall. And the views was awesome. It's an awesome hike. Did you love it, babe?
Yeah.
Yes. Now let's go get some dinner.